What's good, boys and girls? I feel like I always start all my new YouTube videos on this roof. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all the actual house, you know what I'm saying? The actual official house tour. You know, if you follow me on Instagram, you follow me on Snapchat, you might see a little bit of the house, but y'all haven't seen the house in like, you haven't seen all of the rooms, you haven't seen what the house looks like at all. So in this video, I wanna show y'all like what the house looks like, just so y'all know where I'm living now, all right? But to get a little rundown in case you didn't watch my last video, this house is sponsored by an app called Yeay. So let me tell you a little bit about Yeay. Yeay is an app that does product promotions that are personalized. So me, my hair product, my camera that I'm using, I love this camera, so I'd make a video promoting this camera. But the special thing about Yeay is that you earn your money through cryptocurrency. I'm gonna be explaining cryptocurrency a little bit later on, but just know that this app is gonna be really big. So yeah, I guess you could call it the Yeay house, but it's not really a content house. It's a house that's sponsored by that. But let's go downstairs and I'm gonna start showing y'all the house. Yo, there's the cleaning lady. Yeah, the house is getting cleaned today. I think it's like twice a week she comes and cleans the house. Super nice. So here is the entrance. Turn the lights. Lighting good?
Yeah.
Alright, so here is the garage.
Here in my garage, got a brand new
I'm the only one with a car in the house. Everyone be borrowing my car. They gotta fill it up, clean the car. I'm the only one with the car in the house. Alright. Nothing too special. They're doing our lawn outside. The lawn we don't have. But look, this is me and Jared's room. There's JR. Alright, Jared's recording it. Shout out to Jared, cameraman. But there's my bed. There's JR's bed. And those are our 5 TVs. Alright. What else we got in here? Yo, we got hella snacks. Hella snacks. It's gonna be like a little. But yeah, the cleaning lady just cleaned our room, but it's dirty again.
It's not dirty, it's just untidy.
Yeah, it's untidy. I'm about to wash some clothes. Look, put it.
I don't know about that.
I'm about to wash some clothes. And then right here's our closet. Jared told me that I moved here with nothing, bro. Now I got more clothes than Jared. I don't know how that happened.
I don't know either.
But there's our closet. Here's another little closet. Bam, bam, bam. It's pretty lit. My favorite part of our room, right? Come here. Boom, right here, the restroom, bro. I could look at myself right here, and then the most beautiful part, the shower. The shower, all right? When we take showers, it feels like we're taking a shower in the rain.
No, we don't take showers. When you take a shower, I'm not, no, that's...
All right, when I take a shower,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
It feels like we're taking a shower.
You put we in there. That's not happening, bro. That's not happening. You got me messed up.
Jared wishes he could take showers.
No.
All right, let's go.
I take showers, but not with him.
All right, so that's the first floor. Right there is the washer and dryer, the one that Jared doesn't know how to use.
Cap.
Follow me. So this right here, the Los Angeles Yeay house. Beautiful. I guess we're calling this the Yeay house now. Y-E-A-Y. It's a nice little canvas. Let's go upstairs. I think almost everybody's gone, so like I wanted to do is show y'all real quick. Here is the kitchen though. Beautiful. Follow me. Right here. Oh, this is just this is dumb, bro. I don't know why we have this. Like, this should be illegal. You literally open the door by just giving it a high five. Ready? Oh. Alright, anyways, yo, here's the kitchen. Nobody really cooks, everybody just orders food. Amen. Alright, well, this is the homie Eamon's room. He's getting an apartment in November, but for now he's staying at the house, alright? He's my cameraman and my assistant. Alright, But yo, one thing I love about this house is it has some beautiful windows, bro. My house is always dark. We don't got no windows. So we can open this all the way up. Oh shoot. Boom, wide open, busted wide open. And I tell us bring it back. Nice, beautiful view. And then right here, my favorite part. Couch, bro. How do I look?
Decent.
But yeah, this is a little living room. This is where we have our meetings. Here's the whiteboard. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're very professional in this house. There's a lot of smart people in this house. It's not like no TikTokers that just be. Another couch. We got hella snacks, bro. Whatever you want, bro. I'm telling you, it's hard as hell to stay healthy in this house. I'm gonna get fat. Here's another restroom. This one's a little more bougie. Just another restroom. So yeah, this is like the first floor. Alright, so here we go. Second floor. Hold up, let's just get to appreciate this sun real quick. Amazing. So here's Eamon. Hold up, come here, Eamon. Bro, don't leave, bro.
I'm not ready to be filmed. I just woke up.
Bro, it's okay. I already told him about you.
What did
This is Eamon. He lives in the little.
This is Julian's personal assistant.
This is my cameraman.
cat?
Alright, let's go to the actual, like, the first. What do you call this?
Second balcony.
Alright, the first balcony.
No,
The
second.
The second balcony, alright. This is where I like to tan sometimes. We just chill up here. You know what I'm saying? Talk to our homies. Right there, that is one room. My boy FaZe High Sky has his own room that has its own entrance to the balcony. He's so lucky, he's only 13. And then there's two more rooms over there. I'm not gonna show the rooms. I'm not gonna show the rooms, but those are two rooms right there. Bro, this just looks like insane. Like, it's just a nice hallway. Like, this is just so extra. It's just extra. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're not gonna go in the rooms because they're doing whatever. Maybe we can ask High Sky. Maybe whatever. Alright, but now we're gonna go to the roof.
Oh, you don't ask him?
Yo, Pat. Alright, this is Pat's room. Pat is 13, alright? Look at his restroom. Look at his closet, bro. Bro, this kid has a whole tub. A whole bathtub that he's never gonna use. He has the biggest room in the whole house. Yo, what are you playing?
Playing COD.
Yo, Pat is playing COD right now. Yeah. If you've never seen behind the scenes of a gamer or a streamer, bro, this is it right here. Two big monitors, a headset. Look at how fast. Look, just look at his hand real quick. He probably has insurance on those hands.
I was thinking about it.
Yeah.
Bro, what, dude? His fingers control is actually insane.
It is, bro. Look, he's about to do a quick.
He's gonna be a pro when he's older.
But yeah, this is their room. They got a nice little painting right there. And then here's another gaming setup. No, just your food.
Yes, sir.
And then the most important thing of the setup. Drop down a little real quick.
Oh.
The foot massage.
Oh.
The foot massage. You thought it was a PC, it's the foot massager. But yo, that is Pat's room. Thank you, Pat, for having us.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Y'all.
Peace. So yeah, let's go. Last floor of the house. Follow me, follow me. So this is where all the magic happens. I would turn on the lights, but it's daytime right now. But right here we have an LED sign, a neon sign, whatever you want to call it. It says good vibes only. Hold up, I need to catch my breath. I just went up the stairs and I'm out of breath. So this is where I usually just chill, bro. This is like a chill spot. Everybody comes up here to either tan or just talk or like just to relieve some stress.
All around the fire.
All around the fire. This right here is a fireplace. Yesterday we shot a pumpkin video. We shoot some videos for the house, for the Yay house. We like to do like videos with everybody in it. And then right here is our pool. I promise you the roof looks so much better at night than it does during the day, but I want to show y'all during the day just because it has good lighting. Oh, I think the pool man is here. Yesterday we kind of got it dirty, but he's cleaning it. And then come over here. Right here's the hot tub. Nah, it's freaking cold. But sometimes for a workout, I like to do little jumps across. And then here's the grill. Oh shit.
What the hell?
There's a ring light for TikToks. But yo, just show them right here. Can we stand on this too? Give me camera. Alright, so I'm just gonna show y'all a little around the house. Over there is like the city and everything. But yeah, this is our first house. We live in the Hollywood Hills. Over that hill, straight over there is the Hype House. So we live in the same exact neighborhood as the Hype House. But yeah, this is our house. This is what I live in. This is what me and Jay are living. Faze High Sky, his brother Chris, Eamon, Lucas, and I'll introduce them to y'all in another video. But I just wanted to show y'all the house real quick. So that is our house, bro. I live in the Hollywood Hills now. Not bad for doing social media for a couple years. 19. But yeah, I think it's a very beautiful house. Shout out to Yeay. We'll be posting on there very soon. It's just something really vibey, just something really chill. And yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm living in now. I'm gonna be here for about 3 months, and then in January I go on tour. And so yeah, that's a big announcement. I'm going on tour in January, boysofsummertour.com. It's basically an East Coast tour. So if you live on the East Coast and want to meet me, you know, we can make TikToks, we take pictures, we can do all of that. COVID safety precautions, everybody's getting, like, it's gonna be very, very safe. So yeah, January, boysofsummertour.com. I'll have the link in the description. But yeah, this is my house. This is where I live. This is my bed. That's Jared's bed. 5 TVs. You know, I love the house. I like living here. It's fun. But you know, a big thing about this is like moving to LA. You know what I'm saying? Moving to LA is a big difference from Texas. Texas is more open. It's more spread. And LA is more like tight. Like the streets are narrow. Everyone's next to each other. Like I'm used to having my personal space. You know, having a backyard, having a front yard. Like we don't have that here. You know what I'm saying? The houses are way different. It's just a lot getting used to. But yeah, I like living here so far. I've been here for about like 10 days. I wanted to get a feel of the house before I showed y'all. But it's a nice house, and if the app does good, if Yeay performs well, you know, I'll be giving y'all more information about the house soon. But if the house does well, then we'll be getting a new house, a bigger house with more creators. So yeah, hopefully y'all can help me support my yays and help me support my journey, and post on this app. But yeah, guys, it was a really quick video. I just want to show y'all the house, bro. I love y'all. Make sure y'all turn on notifications. We're on the road to 300K, bro. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe with notifications and follow me on Instagram, bro. Comment what YouTube videos you want me to do. I'll do another video soon showing all my roommates, all right? If you want that video, get this video to 2,000 likes, all right? Everybody drop a like on this video, and I'll show y'all all my roommates. But we out.